In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your pineapple to start fruiting without waiting 3 or 4 years. These are the materials you're going to need. You're going to need a mason jar with a lid that seals. Okay, that's the most important part. And you're also going to need a banana. The greener the banana, the better the banana, okay? It doesn't really matter too much, but you want a green banana. So what you're going to do is you're going to peel the banana. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take the banana peel, put it in the jar. Easy as that, right? So you put the banana in the jar. So now what we're going to do is take off the lid, fill it with water. And I mean fill it. Just make it so the banana's submerged, okay? The ethylene gas kind of like dissolves into the water, just like club soda or pop, such things like that. Instead, they're using carbon dioxide. In this case, we're using ethylene gas coming from the banana peel. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your jar, let it sit. Let it sit for 3, 4, 5 days. It doesn't really matter how long you let it sit, but this will become pressurized. And the way you can tell it's ready is you open the jar a bit, and when you open it, in the water, you'll see a whole bunch of bubbles start forming. Those bubbles are the ethylene gas. And then after that, what you do is you take this, you open it, and then you take it to your pineapple plant. So after you have your carbonated water with ethylene gas, you want to dump it into the direct center of the crown of the pineapple. So that's the very, very middle of the pineapple where the pineapple comes out of. And what that does is it basically forces the plant to create a pineapple, making it so you can have a pineapple within a year.